Kapitan, a Philippine Hawk Eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg. This is why he can barely fly. We nurse him back to health and now he is one of our swiftest flyers. Everybody please say hi to Kapitan! Ayan, hello raw po everybody, sabi ni Kapitan. If you notice over here, we have... Yes, that's because Kapitan likes to eat rabbit. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung malulure natin si Kapitan. Ayan, palakpakan naman for Kapitan everyone. So as you can see, Kapitan was indeed lured. Your lure should be the same in shape to what you want your bird to hunt. That is how you train them. Of course, there are different kinds of birds that has a different kind of diet. Another raptor that has a different diet and I want you to meet is Jerica. Everybody meet Jerica, a gray-headed fish eagle. Now I have a question. What do you think fish eagles eat? Dinosaur. Yes, very good. Fish eagles eat fishes. Now over here we have Kuya Renren. Kuya Renren is holding a lure with a fish. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung malulure natin si Jerica. So mood si Jerica today, but everybody, that was Jerica. A round of applause for Jerica, please. Only two kinds of raptors, the diurnal and the nocturnal. The birds we met, so magluluro po ulit si Jerica. Ayan, wala po talaga sa mood si Jerica today. So anyway, as I was saying, meet one of our warmest bird ambassador, Brian. Brian is a Philippine eagle owl. Something very interesting about Brian is that Brian is endemic to the Philippines. Meaning po, dito lang siya makikita sa Pilipinas in the wild. Now, if you don't already know, owls have a silent flight pattern. Literally, hindi po natin sila maririnig lumipad no matter how much they flap their wings. So that's it everyone. That's Brian. Please say bye, Brian! And that ends our show for today. We hope you learned something and more importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful place we call Malagos Garden Resort. The field is now open. You may now take photos with our bird ambassadors. Of course, this is just a gentle reminder to always wear your face mask and practice social distancing at all times. Daghang salamat.